Hindi pa rin ako decided sa strand na kukunin ko for senior high school. Natatakot ako sa posibleng hirap ng mga strands na available. Hais, tulog na lang muna ako saglit. Wait, saan ito?
Hey, are you ready to...
Technology is at the forefront of the digital age, and in STEM, you'll immerse yourself in the latest advancements. Get ready to unleash your imagination as you dive into the fascinating realm of robotics with MBOT. The MBOT is not just any robot. It's your ultimate companion on the journey of discovery.
Technology is another pillar of STEM. From coding languages to software applications, students delve into the digital world. They create animations, design websites, and develop apps. Are you up for your next journey?
Yes, I'm ready.
Engineering is more than just buildings and machines. It's a mindset of way of thinking that embraces creativity, problem solving, and innovation.
Engineering is all about creativity and innovation. Students study design, structures, and machines.
They learn about structural integrity, problem solving, and the engineering design process, preparing them for careers in civil, mechanical, or aerospace engineering.
Did you know that mathematics isn't just about the number on the page? It is the key to unlock infinite possibilities from solving trajectory to analyzing data. Mathematics empowers us to understand the world around us.
Join us in shaping future leaders who are fluent in the language of mathematics, ready to tackle global challenges and drive technological advancements.
In today's rapidly evolving world, STEM skills are more valuable than ever before. They're the key to unlocking the future and shaping the world we live in.
With STEM, you'll be at the forefront of discovery, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and making a real difference in people's lives. So why choose STEM? Because with STEM, the sky's the limit. It's where the dreams become reality and where innovation thrives. Join the revolution today. Embrace the power of STEM.
Choose STEM. They take the keys to innovation, discovery, and a world of endless possibilities.